6 powerful functions of papaya seed in the human body. Papaya seeds are often overlooked, but they offer several health benefits and can be a valuable addition to your diet. Here are 6 powerful functions of papaya seeds. Papaya seeds contain enzymes, particularly papain, which is a powerful digestive enzyme. Here's how papaya seeds function as a digestive aid. Papain for protein digestion. Papain breaks down proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids. This can aid in the digestion of dietary proteins, making them easier for the body to absorb. This property is especially useful for individuals who may have difficulty digesting certain proteins, reducing bloating and indigestion. The digestive enzymes in papaya seeds can help prevent and alleviate bloating and indigestion. They assist in breaking down food in the stomach, reducing the likelihood of undigested food causing discomfort and gas. Supporting nutrient absorption. Proper digestion is essential for the absorption of nutrients from food. By enhancing the breakdown of proteins and other nutrients, papaya seeds support the efficient absorption of essential vitamins and minerals in the digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements. The fiber content in papaya seeds also contributes to digestive health. Adequate fiber intake is crucial for maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It adds bulk to the stool and supports the overall health of the digestive system. Balancing gut flora. Papaya seeds may possess antimicrobial properties that help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. A balanced gut microbiota is essential for proper digestion and overall gastrointestinal health. It's worth noting that while papaya seeds can be beneficial for digestion, individuals with allergies to latex or papain should exercise caution, as they may experience adverse reactions. As with any dietary changes or supplements, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing digestive conditions or concerns. Papaya seeds are believed to exhibit antimicrobial properties, meaning they may have the ability to inhibit the growth of various microorganisms, including bacteria, parasites, and fungi. Here's how papaya seeds can function as antimicrobial agents. Antibacterial activity. Papaya seeds contain compounds such as benzyl isothiocyanate, which has been shown to have antibacterial properties. These compounds may help combat harmful bacteria in the digestive tract and other parts of the body. Antiparasitic effects. Some studies suggest that papaya seeds may have antiparasitic properties, particularly against certain intestinal parasites. The anthelmintic properties of papaya seeds may help expel parasites from the digestive system. Antifungal properties. Compounds found in papaya seeds, such as carpain and benzyl isothiocyanate, have demonstrated antifungal activity. This may be beneficial in preventing or treating fungal infections, both internally and externally. Support for intestinal health. The antimicrobial properties of papaya seeds can contribute to maintaining a healthy balance of microorganisms in the gut. This balance is crucial for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gastrointestinal health. Potential for food preservation. The antimicrobial effects of papaya seeds may extend to their use in food preservation. Some research suggests that incorporating papaya seed extracts into food products could help inhibit the growth of spoilage microorganisms, thereby extending the shelf life of certain foods. It's important to note that while papaya seeds may offer antimicrobial benefits, more research is needed to fully understand the extent of their effectiveness and their specific applications. Moreover, individual responses can vary, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you're considering papaya seeds for therapeutic purposes or if you have existing health conditions. Papaya seeds are believed to have potential benefits for liver health, including a possible detoxification effect. Here's how papaya seeds may contribute to liver health and detoxification. Antioxidant content. Papaya seeds are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and carotenoids. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can contribute to oxidative stress and damage to liver cells. By reducing oxidative stress, papaya seeds may support overall liver health. Detoxification enzymes. Papaya seeds contain enzymes, such as papain, that may support the liver's natural detoxification processes. These enzymes are thought to assist in breaking down toxins and metabolic byproducts, facilitating their elimination from the body. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is often associated with liver diseases. Papaya seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the liver. This anti-inflammatory effect can contribute to protecting liver cells from damage and promoting overall liver function. Protection against liver damage. Some studies suggest that papaya seeds may have a protective effect against liver damage caused by toxins or certain substances. The compounds in papaya seeds may help mitigate the impact of harmful substances on the liver. Support for bile production. Adequate bile production is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. Papaya seeds may stimulate bile production, supporting the liver's role in fat metabolism and aiding in the removal of waste products. It's important to note that while papaya seeds may have potential benefits for liver health, more research is needed to fully understand their mechanisms and effectiveness. Additionally, a balanced and healthy diet, along with lifestyle choices, plays a crucial role in supporting liver function. If you have liver concerns or are considering papaya seeds as part of a liver detoxification regimen, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Papaya seeds are considered antioxidant-rich, containing various compounds that help combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals in the body. Here are some ways in which papaya seeds exhibit antioxidant properties. Phenolic compounds. Papaya seeds contain phenolic compounds, which are known for their antioxidant activity. These compounds help scavenge free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and various diseases. Flavonoids. Flavonoids are a group of plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Papaya seeds contain certain flavonoids that contribute to their overall antioxidant content. These compounds can help protect cells from oxidative damage. Carotenoids. Carotenoids, including beta-carotene, are present in papaya seeds. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A and functions as a potent antioxidant. It helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and supports overall skin and eye health. Vitamin C. Papaya seeds also contain vitamin C, a well-known antioxidant. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, supporting the immune system, and promoting the health of skin and connective tissues. Reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. The antioxidants in papaya seeds help maintain this balance, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases associated with cellular damage. Protecting cellular structures. Antioxidants in papaya seeds can help protect cellular structures, including membranes and DNA, from oxidative damage. This protection is essential for maintaining the integrity and proper functioning of cells. Incorporating papaya seeds into your diet as part of a balanced and varied intake of fruits, vegetables, and other antioxidant-rich foods may contribute to overall health and well-being. However, it's important to note that while antioxidants play a crucial role in health, they are just one aspect of a healthy lifestyle, which should also include regular physical activity, a well-rounded diet, and other positive habits. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Papaya seeds are believed to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which means they may help reduce inflammation in the body. Here's how papaya seeds may exhibit anti-inflammatory effects. Enzymes like papain. Papaya seeds contain enzymes, including papain, which have been associated with anti-inflammatory effects. Papain may help modulate the body's inflammatory response by breaking down inflammatory proteins and promoting a more balanced immune reaction. Reducing pro-inflammatory cytokines. Some studies suggest that compounds of papaya seeds may inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Cytokines are signaling molecules that play a key role in the inflammatory process. By modulating cytokine production, papaya seeds may help regulate inflammation. Inhibition of inflammatory mediators. Compounds found in papaya seeds, such as benzyl isothiocyanate, have been shown to inhibit inflammatory mediators. These mediators contribute to the initiation and progression of inflammation, and by inhibiting them, papaya seeds may help mitigate inflammatory processes. Free radical scavenging. The antioxidant content of papaya seeds can also contribute to their anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which are molecules that contribute to inflammation and tissue damage. Potential joint health benefits. Inflammation is a common factor in conditions affecting the joints, such as arthritis. Some research suggests that the anti-inflammatory properties of papaya seeds may be beneficial for individuals with inflammatory joint conditions. It's important to note that while papaya seeds may have anti-inflammatory potential, more research is needed to fully understand the extent of their effects and their specific mechanisms. Additionally, maintaining an overall anti-inflammatory lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, is crucial for managing inflammation. Individual responses to papaya seeds can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or concerns. Papaya seeds may offer some benefits that are supportive of cardiovascular health. Here are ways in which papaya seeds may contribute to a healthy cardiovascular system. Heart-healthy nutrients. Papaya seeds contain essential nutrients such as potassium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body, promoting optimal cardiovascular function. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Papaya seeds contain a combination of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These healthy fats are associated with cardiovascular benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving lipid profiles, and supporting overall heart health. Antioxidant content. Antioxidants in papaya seeds, such as phenolic compounds and flavonoids, contribute to cardiovascular health by neutralizing free radicals. This can help protect the blood vessels and reduce oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor to cardiovascular diseases. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium content in papaya seeds may contribute to the regulation of blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake is associated with lower blood pressure, which is important for reducing the risk of cardiovascular events. Cholesterol management. Some studies suggest that papaya seeds may have a positive impact on lipid profiles, including reducing levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and increasing levels of good cholesterol, HDL. This could contribute to a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to cardiovascular diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties of papaya seeds may help reduce inflammation, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. It's essential to note that while papaya seeds can be part of a heart-healthy diet, they should be considered as one component of a comprehensive approach to cardiovascular health. Maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, and avoiding tobacco are crucial aspects of cardiovascular disease prevention. Individuals with existing heart conditions or those on specific medications should consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to their diet or supplement regimen. It's important to note that while papaya seeds offer potential health benefits, moderation is key. Excessive consumption may lead to adverse effects. Additionally, pregnant women should avoid consuming large amounts of papaya seeds, as they may have a mild contraceptive effect. Before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating new supplements, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.